Were you asleep? And you were snoring like Daddy? Yeah? Tubby, I love you. Can you say I love you? Can you pray? Let me hear you pray. You move. Why are you moving me? That's not nice. Say, Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil, now and forever. Amen. You silly. Pretend you're snoring. Let me hear you snore. Can you? Good night. Lay down. Let me hear you snore. Let me hear you snoring. I want to hear you snore.